Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how we can ride Uber on Uber Ride in USA, Washington DC. So for this, if you are on home page of Uber, just click on this where to and initially select your location here in Washington DC. Then it will show you several recommendations. Where do you want to go from the previous things, whichever you have traveled, or otherwise you can just type your destination here. I'm just looking for this place, Washington DC, Washington Convention Center. From that place to Washington Convention Center, it's costing around UberX $9.25 and $9.33 costing for Uber XL, and I would like to take Uber Black. For this reason, there will be several options here. The Black is costing almost double to the Uber X because it's in premium segment. So Uber Black is costing me, the minimum is $18.95, and Uber Black SUV is also there, which is costing me $30.61 USD. So I'm going for $18.95 Uber Black. Just clicking here. After clicking that, it will be showing how do you pay. So after clicking the payment options, you will be thrown up with some options like Uber Cash. There will be options for credit card. Also, there will be option for paying through cash. So for this video, I'm just checking cash only. So after going to select cash or Uber Cash, so you can straight away go back and confirm Black. After confirming this Black, your Uber Black ride from your place to that destination will be selected so easily, and you will be able to travel through that distance. At the end, you can pay this $18.95 USD to the Uber driver. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content.